Good afternoon students. Welcome to the mathematics class. In this class, you will learn about the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. Today I will discuss one of the special type of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. What do you mean by parallelogram and the properties of parallelogram? Now what is parallelogram? A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Look at the figure here. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram because here AB is what? AB is parallel to DC. Another one is AD is parallel to BC. So here AB means this side is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. So a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Now we will discuss about the properties of parallelogram. Now let us discuss about the properties of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal, the opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisect each other. There is another important property there. The sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Let us first see the two important properties, that opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Here ABCD is a parallelogram which is already drawn here, and this is the short symbol of a parallelogram, and AC is a diagonal. Now let us consider a triangle ABC and triangle CDA. In these two triangles, we can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Why these two angles are equal? Because as ABCD is a parallelogram and AB is parallel to DC, that means opposite sides are parallel, and if we consider AC as a transversal, then angle 1 and 3 are alternate interior angles. So we know that alternate, if two lines are parallel and AC is a transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 1 is equals to angle 3 by alternate interior angles property. Similarly, here angle 4 is equals to angle 2. Here angle 4 and 2 are alternate interior angles because here BC is parallel to AD and AC is a transversal. So 4 and 2 are alternate interior angles. So here also angle 4 is equals to angle 2 by alternate interior angles property. Now again AC is a common side to both the triangles, so AC is equals to AC. So therefore angle side angle. So by angle side angle congruence rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. These two triangles are congruent, and we know if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So if these two triangles are congruent, we can say that AB is equals to DC, AD is equals to BC, and angle B is equals to angle D. These are the this we can write because these two triangles are congruent. As here we got that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA, and we know that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So from these two triangles we can write that AB is equals to which side? DC. Then BC is equals to which side? AD. And angle B is equals to angle D. By CPCT in short also we can say that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Also from these two triangles we have angle 1 is equals to angle 3 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. So if we add angle 2 on both sides, that means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 3 plus angle 2, and we know angle 2 is equals to 4, so angle 3 plus angle 4. So that means angle 1 plus 2 means this angle, that is angle A, is equals to angle 3 plus 4 means this angle, that is angle angle C. So here also we are getting another important equals, and that is angle A is equals to angle C. So from diagram we can easily say that from that opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. So these are the two important properties of a parallelogram, that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Now let us see the third property, that in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Here ABCD is a parallelogram and AC and BD are the two diagonals drawn which are intersecting at point O. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD, here we have angle AOB is equals to angle COD because these two are vertically opposite angles. And we know vertically opposite angles are equal. Again, angle OAB is equals to angle OCD because AB is parallel to CD and AC is a transversal. So these two angles are alternate interior angles and alternate interior angles are equal because AB is parallel to CD. And AB and CD are opposite sides. So in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So these two sides are equal. So by angle side congruence rule, these two triangles, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So if these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So by CPCT in short, we can say that in triangle AOB, AO is equals to, in triangle COD, we have AO is equals to OC and also OB is equals to OD. So that means AO is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. So this shows that the diagonals bisect each other. Let us see another important property, that in a parallelogram the sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. So angle A and B are adjacent angles because they have a common side. And similarly angle B and C are adjacent angles, C and D are adjacent angles, D and A are adjacent angles. So there are four pairs of adjacent angles. So that so by property angle A plus B is equals to 180 degree, B plus C is equals to 180 degree, C plus D is equals to 180 degree and D plus A is equals to 180 degree. Let's see how it's coming. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. So AD is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. Then angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree because these two angles are co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So here we can say that angle A plus B is equals to 180 degree. Similarly, by same way we can also show that B plus C is equals to 180 degree, C plus D is equals to 180 degree and angle D plus A is equals to 180 degree. So which shows that the sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. And there is another important property, that the sum of the four angles of a parallelogram is 360 degree. Let's see, there is another important property, that in a parallelogram ABCD, the sum of four angles is 360 degree. That means A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 360 degree. As just we have learned that the sum of any two adjacent angles in a parallelogram is 180 degree. So here A and B are adjacent angles. So sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Similarly C and D are adjacent angles. So these two angles are 180 degree. So this two sum will give 360 degree, which shows that the sum of the four angles in a parallelogram is 360 degree. Now the converse of the properties are also true. What is the converse? That if a quadrilateral is given, then it will be a parallelogram. A quadrilateral will be a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal. This is one condition, that if in a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are equal, then that will be a parallelogram. Or if its opposite angles are equal, then if it has one pair of opposite sides parallel and equal, then if its diagonals bisect each other. So if any of this condition is given, then we can say that that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Let's see one example to understand the properties of a parallelogram. Here in this question, in a parallelogram ABCD, we have to find the unknowns x, y and z. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Now from the figure, here angle C and D are adjacent angles, and we know in a parallelogram the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So here angle C plus D is equals to 180 degree, and in the figure the measure of angle C is Y and measure of angle D is given 50 degree. So their sum is 180 degree because adjacent angles are supplementary. So what is the value of Y coming? Y is equals to 180 degree minus 50 degree, that is coming 130 degree. So the measure of angle angle C is equals to 130 degree, or we can say the value of Y is here 130 degree. Now also angle A and C are opposite angles. So angle A is equals to angle C because opposite angles are equal. So as these two angles are opposite angles, and we know in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal, so we can write that x is equals to y. That means what is the value of y coming here? That is 130 degree. So that is equals to 130 degree. So we can write x is equals to 130 degree. That means the value of x is 130 degree. Or we can say that the measure of the angle A is 130 degree. Again, here x and z are corresponding angles because AD is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. So z and x are corresponding angles. As AD is parallel to BC, so we know that corresponding angles are equal. So here we can write also that x is equals to z because corresponding angles are equal. So that means what is the value of x here? X is here 130 degree. So therefore z is also equals to 130 degree. So here we got the value of x as 130 degree and y as 130 degree and z is also 130 degree. So value of x, y, z all are here 130 degree. Let us see another questions. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Find x and y where lengths are measured, where lengths are in centimeter. So here ABCD is a parallelogram. So we know in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. That means AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. So from this we can write that 3y minus 1. This we can write in centimeter also is equals to what? 26 centimeter. Because the lengths are in centimeter. So that means AB is equals to 3y minus 1 centimeter and CD is equals to 26 centimeter. So for calculations we will not take the centimeter. That means simply we write 3y minus 1 is equals to 26. So here we are getting, or 3y is equals to 26 plus 1 is equal to, it is coming 27. So y is equals to 27 by 3. That means it is coming 9. So here we are getting y is equals to 9. Now also 3x is equals to, also AD is equals to BC. That means 3x is equals to, we can directly write 3x is equal to 18. That means x is equals to 18 by 3. It is coming here 6. So here x is coming 6 and y is coming 9. So the value of x and y are x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 9. Let's see another example, that in the given figure ABCD is a parallelogram. We have to find the values of x and y where lengths are in centimeter. Now we know that in a parallelogram we have to find the unknown variables which is given in the diagonals. So here we know that in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. That means from this figure we can write OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. Which means that what is the value of OB? It is lengths are in centimeter. So we can also write here that 16 is equals to 16 centimeter is equals to x plus y centimeter. That means which can we can write it as x plus y is equals to 16. Give it as equation number 1. Similarly, OB is equals to OD means that y plus 7 centimeter is equals to what? 20 centimeter. Which implies y plus 7 is equals to what? is equals to 20. So from this equations we can write y is equals to 20 minus 7. That means y is equals to 13. So value of y is coming here 13. Now if we put the value of y in equation 1, here we get x is equals to 16 minus y. That means x is equals to 16 minus 13. It is coming 3. So therefore x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 13 is the required value of the given variables. So in this way, by using properties, we can find the unknown variables according to the given questions. I hope all of you understood the properties. So in next class I will discuss some more related properties with some more special types of quadrilaterals. Thank you all of you.